Okay, so let's open our map. Should be this one. Let's open Oculus Mirror to have a wider view. Open Hammer. Open the map Hammer editor. And this is our beginning. So we have a tower. That's the lower part, one model with this texture, and the upper part with this one. So both of these textures are 4K. Let's build a map. Actually, we just run it. So this is our interior. And let's have a look at the textures. So first of all, some corners are unfinished. Both in modeling and texture, I'll have to clean it up or find some objects to hide it. Yeah, more troubles with texture. And this is a seam that we see upper and lower models connecting. I'm not sure why it is there. So I hope it's enough of the resolution for upper part, and I could improve the lower. Yeah, I will never go there, I hope. So maybe it's enough of 4K texture, but here it's totally flat and a bit too low of texture resolution. Especially you can see that on the walls. Right here. You could have a bit more of texture. So I'll need to do some frames or something. Might be here the well will go. And I need some fences here so people don't go. Whoops. Some problem there. Yeah, that's the surface. Okay, so once again I have prepared the rough surfaces with height mat and displacement, and then multi-resolution, that is just decreasing the number of vertices. Now we'll export the model. So we'll need to clean up a bit. Okay, that will be our color. Actually, maybe I should do something more. So I'll use shadow highlight to make it kind of more flat, to remove lighting, so to speak, even though it's a fake. Could actually do something else. Sometimes it's nice to try this one. It's HDR toning. Sometimes it gives lots of awful noise, but sometimes you can add some details using this. It used to be, it is. Not sure if it's better. Okay, let's go to hammer, and let's import another object. I think it's this one. No, it might have, oh no, it's correct size. So I will hide this. Actually, I should leave it probably. Maybe push it down just so we can see the difference. Okay, so this needs another material. Material needs a texture for color. Hello. Oh, do I need to save it before? Where's the name? Oops, that's what happens with Hammer Editor. It just likes to crash. Move this one down. Okay, and now we can test it. So let's launch a map again. Now I changed it, so I need to build it. Let's launch mirror. Okay, so first of all we see that there is a big gap here because I moved the model down, the original model, and here we see the new one with the height and much more polygons. So the question is it worth it? So we see some extrusions, some irregularities of surface, not so much the texture quality. I guess the original one kind of had a lot of area for the floor in the texture. So, but the question is, do we like the more detail, more surface irregularity? I think it still kind of works, though it's not such a big difference.